restoration of the Atlantic forest at Morro da Galheta. In the year 1750, the first couples from the Azores arrived on Santa Catarina Island. Two of those couples chose to settle on Morro da Galheta. They received the concession of these lands, and they are my ancestors on my mother's side. At that time, life depended on agriculture. They cleared part of the hill for planting because it was the only way to survive. As the years passed and tourism arrived, these lands were gradually abandoned. The small farms disappeared, the pasture took over, and the soil was left exposed. It was then that Pinus ellioti, an exotic species brought to the Rio Vermelho Park, began to spread with the wind. Its seeds reached this hill and formed a dense and silent forest. But the pine does not belong to this place. Its fallen needles cover the ground, blocking the light and preventing new life from growing. That is why it is called an invasive species. In addition, the water that flows down the hill carries the acidity from its leaves, turning the lagoon reddish and lifeless. Fish and shrimp move away. The lagoon becomes sick. In response, we began a process of ecological restoration. With care, we perform the girdling of the pines, so they dry out where they stand, without toppling the native trees that are being reborn beneath them. At the same time, we are planting new trees. Cinnamon, cedar, peroba, palm heart, araçá, and gabiroba, all native species that belong to this land. This action is carried out in partnership with FLORAM, the Municipal Environmental Foundation, and with the local community, which believes in the power of regeneration. This is more than an environmental effort. It is an act of ancestral memory. To give back to Morro da Galheta, the forest that once embraced our ancestors. If you wish to be part of this movement, reach out to IMMA, the Multidisciplinary Institute of Environment and Archaeoastronomy. Here, every tree planted is a seed of the future. And every gesture, a bridge between the past and rebirth.